And what we're going to do now is Daoyin, which is a deep breathing exercise called 6 Rabbits. And this is the first Daoyin exercise that our teacher Chee Soo taught us. And he would use this exercise at the start of the class to activate the Dantian, which is here, our energy center where our Qi is stored. And so it's a very good exercise at the beginning of the class just to get your Qi going. And of course it's a breathing exercise, so it's very good for your breathing action, increasing the lung capacity. And what we're going to do is breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And we're breathing into the lower abdomen here. And so when we're breathing in through the nose, we are expanding the lower abdomen. And then when we breathe out through the mouth, we contract. Breathe in, expand, breathe out, contract, like that. You're sitting with your back straight. You've got your shoulders relaxed, elbows relaxed like this. So we breathe in through the nose and we're bringing the hands up, and then we close these 3 fingers off. Now try not to clench your fist and bring the fingers in front of the palm here, because we've got an important energy center here called Qigong, and we need to keep that showing like that, because if we do that, it tends to close the energy off. So we open that center. It's actually on the pericardium meridian, which is the heart protector, and that's P8, that point, and it's actually very good for calming the mind. It's well worth it doing that exercise properly. These 2 fingers are the metal meridians, lung and large intestine. They're good for purification, so we keep those 2 open. So that's part of the thing about deep breathing. And the metal element, which is what breathing comes under, is about purification as well as about drawing energy into the body. So we've got the left leg on the outside and the back straight like this. And you breathe in, and then you breathe out, and as you breathe out, you tense your arms. And then when you get to the full extent of the push, you clench the fists like this, and then breathe in, and when the fists are touching the chest, then you circle the elbows down and back, and then circle the hands round, and then back to the start position like this. Now, each time when we're breathing out through the mouth, we purse the lips slightly to restrict the airflow, and so that's giving your breathing muscles something to push against. You see, so you're breathing in through the nose, breathing out with a bit of pressure. Don't bring the pressure up into your head though, try and keep it down here in your lower abdomen. Okay, so here we go then. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, in and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Rabbits Daoyin exercise.